Comprehensive guide to anti-aging routines, hair health, and skincare tips. Taking care of your skin and hair is essential to maintain a youthful appearance and promote overall health. A proper regimen that addresses anti-aging, hair health, and skincare can significantly enhance your confidence and vitality. Below is a detailed breakdown, including reasons for common concerns, effective treatments, precautions, and a conclusion to tie everything together. 1. Anti-aging routines. Reasons for aging. 1. Natural aging process. Collagen and elastin production decline with age, leading to fine lines and sagging. 2. Environmental damage. UV radiation, pollution, and free radicals accelerate aging. 3. Lifestyle factors. Poor diet, smoking, alcohol, and lack of sleep contribute to premature aging. 4. Dehydration. Insufficient hydration weakens the skin barrier, causing dullness and wrinkles. Treatments for anti-aging. Morning. Gentle cleanser to remove impurities. Vitamin C serum for antioxidant protection and brightening. Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump the skin. Sunscreen with SPF 30+ to protect against UV damage. Evening. Use a retinol-based product to promote collagen production and reduce fine lines. Apply a rich night cream with peptides or ceramides to repair the skin barrier. Professional treatments. Chemical peels. Exfoliate the top layer of skin, improving texture and tone. Microneedling. Boost collagen and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Laser resurfacing. Reduces pigmentation and tightens the skin. Botox and fillers. Temporarily reduce wrinkles and restore volume in sagging areas. Precautions. Avoid skipping sunscreen, as UV damage is the primary cause of premature aging. Gradually introduce retinol into your routine to avoid irritation. Stay hydrated and eat foods rich in antioxidants to support skin health. 2. Hair health. Reasons for hair problems. 1. Nutritional deficiencies. Lack of vitamins like biotin, iron, and zinc weakens hair. 2. Hormonal imbalances. Changes during pregnancy, menopause, or stress can cause hair thinning. 3. Environmental stressors, pollution, UV exposure, and harsh weather damage the hair. 4. Overstyling. Excessive heat styling, bleaching, and chemical treatments lead to breakage. Treatments for hair health. Cleansing. Use a sulfate-free shampoo suitable for your hair type to avoid stripping natural oils. Conditioning. Apply conditioner to the mid-lengths and ends to prevent dryness and breakage. Weekly treatments. Deep conditioning masks with keratin or argan oil for hydration. Scalp treatments with tea tree oil to reduce dandruff and promote hair growth. Dietary supplements. Include foods rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins, B-complex, iron, and zinc. Consider supplements like biotin or collagen if dietary intake is insufficient. Professional treatments. PRP therapy, platelet-rich plasma, stimulates hair growth and reduces thinning. Scalp micropigmentation provides the illusion of fuller hair. Hair transplant surgery for advanced hair loss. Precautions. Limit heat styling and always use a heat protectant spray. Avoid tight hairstyles that strain hair follicles. Protect your hair from environmental damage by wearing a hat or scarf. 3. Skincare tips. Reasons for common skin concerns. 1. Skin type, dry, oily combination, or sensitive skin requires customized care. 2. Environmental factors, UV exposure, pollution, and seasonal changes affect skin health. 3. Poor habits, inadequate hydration, lack of sleep, and unhealthy diets can harm the skin. Treatments for healthy skin. Cleansing. Use a mild cleanser twice daily to remove dirt and excess oil. Exfoliation. Exfoliate 2 times a week with a chemical exfoliant, AHAs for dry skin, BHAs for oily skin, to remove dead skin cells. Moisturizing. Apply a moisturizer suited to your skin type to maintain hydration. Sunscreen. Use SPF 30+ every day to protect against sun damage. Targeted solutions. Acne. Use spot treatments with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Hyperpigmentation. Brighten dark spots with vitamin C, niacinamide, or kojic acid. Aging. Retinol and peptides can reduce fine lines and promote a youthful glow. Professional treatments. Facials provide hydration and improve skin texture. Microdermabrasion exfoliates and rejuvenates the skin. Dermaplaning removes peach fuzz and dead skin cells for a smoother appearance. Precautions. Perform patch tests when trying new products to avoid allergic reactions. Avoid overexfoliating as it can weaken the skin barrier. Remove makeup thoroughly before bed to prevent clogged pores. Conclusion. Taking a proactive approach to anti-aging, hair health, and skincare can lead to long-lasting results. 1. For anti-aging, focus on prevention through sun protection, hydration, and collagen-boosting treatments. 2. For hair health, strengthen your hair with nourishing products, a healthy diet, and damage-reducing practices. 3. For skincare, tailor your routine to your specific needs and address issues like acne, pigmentation, or dryness with appropriate products and professional care. By understanding the causes, implementing effective treatments, and following precautions, you can maintain youthful skin, healthy hair, and a glowing appearance at any stage of life. Consistency and patience are key to achieving and sustaining these benefits.